Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone after iOS update. If you have updated your iOS and you're facing the issue that your Face ID is not working after updating iOS, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to try to open your settings app, then go to general, go to software update, and very first I recommend you have to try to update for the remaining updates. Sometimes it might be that there will be any issue with previous software update, so it release a newer latest software update. So just check for the latest updates. After updating your software, you have to go back and you have to close your Face ID section. You will see if you're using your Face ID section. So just force close, swipe up from here, close it, and then make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go ahead to your settings app and go to screen time section and just disable all the content and privacy restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, just go back, and here if you have already set it up your Face ID, so you can go to Face ID and passcode section, enter your iPhone passcode, and then try to disable your Face ID. So after resetting your Face ID, you have to retry to reset up your Face ID. So in case of reset up, there will be an issue with your Face ID recognizing, it will be fixed in this app and you'll not get the issue again. Or if it's still not working for you, so you can go out to your general section and go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or after resetting your settings, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to check for your Face ID or your front camera if it's physically damaged or not. If you might get that your Face ID has been physically damaged, so you have to try to repair your Face ID first and then retry. Or you can also try to contact the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do that, you have to open the Apple Support app. You can easily install the Apple Support app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this More option, look for Face ID, and here you just have to tap on the Get More Help option here, and then select Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.